first one we are going to make is Pikachu. Cut 4 squares out and take one for Pikachu. Use yellow color paper or paint it yellow by yourself. Then fold the square by 4 times. Draw face and ears on paper. When you draw its face, don't draw it too large, otherwise part of its face will be on the other side of the head and would be very creepy. By using fold lines as a guide, fold the square into 2 triangles. When you're done folding, you can see a hole on its back. Blow air in and get a Pikachu ball. Draw it a tail. Paint on both sides. Stick the tail into the hole and you have Pikachu. Next one is Charmander. Charmander has a different face with Pikachu and with blue eyes. Oops, I forgot to draw its tummy. Then back to the coloring work. Fold the paper as you did for Pikachu. But beware not to fold on the side of its tummy. Also, this time fold the same for both sides. Finally, draw the tail and stick it onto the bag. The third one is Squirtle. Do exactly the same as the steps above, just with different drawing. Final one is Pokeball. Fold and other 4 lines to add as a guide for the drawing. Pokeball for catching them all. If you like them, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See ya!